Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to unleash your inner drummer? Get ready to rock with the Donner Electric Drum Set, the ultimate game changer for music lovers of all ages. This incredible instrument is not just a drum set, it's an experience. With its silent yet realistic playing experience, you can practice day and night without disturbing anyone, thanks to the included headphones that transport you to a world of pure sound. You can feel the beat pulsing through your body as you play along with your favorite tracks or record your own music. The sound is so real you'll feel like you're performing live. The Donner Electric Drum Set is a well-reviewed and popular choice among music enthusiasts, and for good reason. Its adjustable and space-smart design makes it perfect for young players, with a lightweight and collapsible frame that's easy to store, and a folded size that's incredibly compact. The ergonomic rack adapts to players of all sizes, ensuring proper posture and comfort as they grow, and the texture of the drums and cymbals is so realistic you'll feel like you're playing on a real kit. This electric drum kit is also ridiculously portable, thanks to its support for portable chargers, letting you play anywhere, whether that's at home, in the studio, or outdoors. Imagine being able to practice your skills in the park or at the beach. The feeling of the sun on your face and the wind in your hair as you play is exhilarating. The Donner Electric Drum Set is the perfect choice for anyone who wants to take their music to the next level, with its extra storage and smart tech features that make it easy to connect to your devices and play along with your favorite tracks. So why settle for anything less? Get your hands on the Donner Electric Drum Set and start making music today, you won't regret it. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.